Good morning, my friends. How are you all? Today we are going to talk about box plots. So I'll share my computer screen with you. Number of movie theaters in which the top 9 movies were shown in a particular week is indicated below. First part, construct a box plot of the data. What is the value of IQR? Is there any outlier? The 10th movie on the list opened at only 900 theaters. Add this number to the above list or above set of data. What happens to the mean before the addition of the 10th movie as compared to the mean after the 10th? So before the 10th movie was added as compared to the mean after the addition of the 10th movie. So let's do part A, construct a box plot of the data. So this we have to do on our calculator. So let me find my calculator, which I found. So the first thing we will do is we will enter the data in L1. So solution, enter data in L1 of the calculator. Okay. So for that, we do second, then we press the plus key on top of enter, then select number 4, then we get clear all lists on our list. So this is list on our calculator screen. Then we hit enter. Here all list actually, and then enter, and then we are done. That means we have cleared the memory of the calculator. Then we will press the stat over here, press stat key, and then number 1. Okay, and enter data in L1. Enter data in L1. Okay, so second button, then plus on top of enter, then number 4. Okay, we get clear all list on our calculator screen, hit enter, done. Then we don't want to see that. So then we press the stat button, then number 1, enter data in L1, which is 3017, then 3687, then 2525, then 2516, then 2820, then 2579, then 3211, then 3044, and 2330. So we have entered the 9 data points in L1. Now we want to make a box plot. So how do you do a box plot? Okay, so this is only once you do. So press Y equal to key. Okay, where is the key? Top left. So press Y equal to key and make sure there is nothing on the right of on the right of all equal to signs, equal to signs. Okay. So you go down, scroll down from y1 to y9 and to y0, sorry, equal to nothing. Shouldn't be anything. Okay. So we scroll down from y1 to y9 and make sure there is nothing on the right of the, sorry, y0, and make sure nothing is on the right of, so these y1, they look like this. So this one, y0, nothing on the right of the equal to sign. Okay, once we are convinced of that, then we press press second button on the top left, second button, then y equal to key, then y equal to key. Okay, then second and then y equal to, which is also on the top left. So this is y equal to, okay, second y button, y equal to, okay, then number one, okay, then number one key, okay, okay. The first line should be on, the cursor should be on, and the second line, which is type, okay, type second line, should be sitting on the fourth type of chart. This is the fourth type. This is where the cursor should be. So bring your cursor on the fourth type of chart and hit enter. Okay. Now let me create some space. Okay. Okay. Fourth type of chart. Okay. What about the next few lines? It should be the next after type is X list. It is automatically L1, this X list. And then it is frequency. This should be 1. Okay. And then you press the zoom key. Zoom key. Where is zoom? Third key on the extreme top rows of extreme top row of keys. So go ahead and press the zoom key on the, which is the third key on the extreme top row of keys. Then after zoom key, press number 9. Okay, number 9 key. Okay, and you see the box plot. The box plot. Let me create some more space. The box plot. Okay, so you see a box plot like this on your calculator screen. So remember, this one is your minimum. The left boundary of the box is Q1. The line in the middle of the box is Q2 or median. The right boundary is Q3 and the extreme data point is maximum. Now this is called a 5-number summary. So how do I find the 5-number summary? Okay. So if I may create again some space. Okay. So we will calculate the five number summary of the same data. Okay. One point to note before we calculate the five number summary is you do not see, we do not observe, I should say, any point like this on the right. They do not. So the right horizontal line, which is called the whisker, ends at the maximum. We do not see any point like this. Similarly, the left whiskers end at the mean, and we do not see any box on this. So that means there is no outlier. Oops, I'll have to erase that. Okay, so erase this. Okay. So this is zoom after zoom. Okay. Zoom is 9. This is zoom and then 9. Okay, key number 9. Okay, so as I was saying, there's no separate box on the left and the right of the box diagram, which means there is no outlier on the left or on the right. Okay, now we want to do the five number summary. So how do I get the five number summary? So five number summary. Okay. Again, press the stat button. So five number summary. Stat button. And then highlight calc on the top row. Then number 1. One word stat. In this case, you'll see on your calculator screen one word stat. Okay. The first line is list should be equal to L1. Frequency should be empty. So clear. If you have anything after frequency, after the colon and the frequency line, hit the clear button. Like for example, in my frequency list, I have L2. So I have to clear it by hitting the clear button. Okay. Then I will go to calculate. Okay. So after frequency list, I go to calculate. Put my cursor on calculate, and hit enter. So bring the cursor, the black rectangle on calculate and hit enter. So now I will get the five numbers summary. So what is the five numbers? First, I will note the sample mean, which is 2858.78, you might say. Okay. But the five number summary, the first one is at the bottom, towards the bottom of the screen, is minimum, is equal to 2330. 2 is Q1, which is the left boundary of the box, is 2520.5. Now I create some space for myself. Now I hit the down arrow key because I don't see anything in my screen now. So I have to hit the down arrow key. Okay. And next I will see is the median. Number 3 is median. And that is equal to 2820. Okay. And after the median, I further scroll down to get Q3, and that is equal to 3127.5. And the last number will be below it, scroll down with maximum, and that is equal to 3687. Okay. One thing they have asked in this problem is to calculate IQR, which is the interquartile range. Quartile range. What is that? IQR is equal to Q3 minus Q1. So in our case, IQR will be 3127.5 minus, what is my QR? 2520.5. So IQR is equal to, I type those numbers in the calculator, 3127.5 minus 2520.5. Three one 27.5 minus 2520.5. And the answer is 627. What does this number 627 means? It means the middle 50% of the data. Why 50%? Because Q3 is 75th percentile and Q1 is the 25th percentile. So 75 minus 25 is 50. The middle 50% of the data has a range of 627. So let me answer the last part of the problem. So for that, we need to enter here. So part D I'm doing. Part C I've already said, no, there is no outlier because there is no separate box on the left and right of the box plot. So therefore there is no outlier. And what is the value of the IQR? We just calculated. Part D says the 10th movie on the list opened at only 900 theaters. Add this number to the above set of data. What happens to the mean before the addition of the 10th movie as compared to the mean after the addition of the 10th movie? So we go to stat 1, and in our L1, the last data point we want to add is 900. So after 2330, we add 900. Okay, and hit. So we type 900 in the last line in L1 and hit enter. So now we have 10 data points in L1. So we want to calculate the mean. So press the stat button, highlight calc, then number 1 where stats, list is L1, frequency list is empty, and calculate the mean. So the mean is now 2662. Okay, so if I move this a little bit up, okay, so we can do, I want to move it even a little bit more. Okay. So part D, mean after the addition of, after the addition of the 10th movie, that is number of halls or number of theaters. Okay, the mean is X bar is equal to 2662.9. Okay, previously with 9 movies, previously with the ninth movie, with only 9 movies, X bar was 2858.78. So the mean has gone down. Okay. Okay. Why did the mean go down? That may be the question. Mean has gone down because the number for the 10th movie is the lowest. The mean is being towards pulled to the left by the lower number for the left movie. For the not the left movie, for the last movie I meant to say. So erase this for the 10th movie, for the 10th movie, for the 10th. So when we have a very small number as compared to the rest, the small number pulls the mean towards it. Okay. So we will stop here today. If you have any question, comment, please write me a note and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please let your friends know about it if you have liked it. And your friends and yourself, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button at the right corner, bottom right corner. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you next time when I come back with another interesting problem, interesting solution.